today we're going to make a pumpkin. There's a sample, but I'll just show you how to make a small one, because once you know the technique, you can make any size or style that you want. It's a big one. So all you need is a felting needle with these barbs, a foam pad, some wool batting, which is raw, rough wool, some orange wool roving. You don't need a lot, just very little. And a little green roving for stem. Okay, so what I would do is take some wool out. I would start with this much. So that's about the size of palm of your hand. I would roll it up tightly. And use a needle to tack the ends down. Even just roll it around like that, and warm. You can cup your hands, warm it up, blow into it, and hand felt it. Help with the felting process there. There you go. It depends if you want a loose, soft pumpkin or more of a tight, firm pumpkin. It's just up to you. Everyone has different styles. So I'll make a little bit bigger one. So then I would get another piece of wool, batting, and roll it up and tack the end down. Roll it again. Keep going until you're happy with the consistency. So now if you're happy with the consistency, I would tear off a little piece of orange. Spread it out nicely. And I would wrap the little white ball there. And once again, tack down the ends. And I would lightly felt it all around. Tear off another piece of wool. Wool is just so forgiving and easy to work with. There are no mistakes. If you feel like you made a mistake, just tear it off, add more. So nice to work with. I like to roll it around and kind of even it out. Just going to tear off little pieces of wool to patch up some white spots here. I'm not completely concerned about having it totally even, because I like the unevenness. I think it adds whimsy and texture to a pumpkin. These little pumpkins are really cute. It's perfect for a nature table or a little gift to a teacher, a little gift to a hostess for a party. Great party favors. Roll it up again. Cup your fingers and your hands, your palms. Just helps to felt all the ends. And this could also be a nice surprise from the Halloween fairy on the night of Halloween, or your sugar sprites, or whoever comes to your house. Now take a little piece of green wool here. Take a little bit. I would fold it in half so that the raw edge will be the top of the stem. Now just roll the ends there. There you go. The moisture and the warmth of my hand just felt it right away. And there you go. Let's see which side should be the top. There's the top. Now tack the end right there. And if you're worried about getting your fingers poked, you can use, I'm using a needle, knitting needle here, because this is really sharp and it will draw blood. So there you go. It's a cute little curly Q on top. There you go, it's cute. And you can do it, you can leave it like that, or if you want the little divots on the side, I'll just grab whatever straight edge I have around and use it as a guide. Now we'll go back and fill it in a little more. And you know, if you make a mistake, say you kind of jerked your hand and you poked on the side over here, then what you do is just use the end of the needle and fluff it up like that. And there you go. And it looks just as new. And I'm going to go back and do it because I want it over there. There you go. Now the pumpkin is divided into 2 halves, and I would divide these halves into thirds. But you can divide it up however many ways that you want. Oops. Be careful not to hit the knitting needle, because if you poke it by mistake, it could break your needle, your felting needle. It is very delicate. Okay, to the other side. you happy with that? There you go. There's your pumpkin. Happy felting. Happy needle felting. Bye.